If you download files in Google Chrome a lot, there's a small setting that can save you time every single day. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically open downloads in Google Chrome, so files like images can open right after they finish downloading. This is a simple trick, but it's really useful if you want a faster workflow and you don't want to keep clicking into your downloads folder every time. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Chrome tips. Let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go ahead and download any file for this example. An image is a great choice because it's easy to test and you can see the result right away. You can download an image from a website, save a picture from a page, or even use a test file you already have. After the download finishes, look at the top right corner of Chrome. You should see the file you just downloaded appear in the downloads area. This is the item we're going to use to change the setting. Now right-click on that downloaded file. When the menu appears, look for the option that says Always open files of this type. Click that option once. This tells Google Chrome that whenever you download this same file type again, it should open automatically after the download is complete. So if you choose an image file, Chrome will remember that setting for images of that type. Now let's test it. Go ahead and download another image file. This time, instead of just sitting in the downloads bar, it should open automatically once the download is done. That confirms the setting is working correctly. This is a really handy feature if you work with downloaded images, PDFs, or other files often. It helps speed things up and makes Chrome a little more convenient to use. Just remember that this setting applies to the file type you selected, so if you want to use it for another type of file later, you can repeat the same steps. If you want more simple browser tips like this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.